The keto diet has gained immense popularity for its ability to promote weight loss and boost energy levels while allowing individuals to enjoy delicious meals. One such delightful recipe is Keto Lemon Garlic Salmon, a nutritious and flavorful dish that combines the freshness of lemon, the aromatic essence of garlic, and the rich, tender salmon. Here is a simple yet comprehensive guide to preparing this mouth-watering meal. Start by gathering the necessary ingredients. For salmon fillets, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, for cloves of garlic, minced, 1 lemon, juiced and zest, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, to get it ready for baking the salmon. While the oven is heating up, place a pan over medium heat and pour in the olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and sauté it until golden brown. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as this will impart a bitter taste to the dish. Next, pour in the lemon juice and lemon zest, stirring the mixture until it is well combined. Take the salmon fillets and season them generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Then, place the fillets in an oven-safe baking dish and pour the lemon garlic mixture over them, ensuring that each fillet is well coated. Bake the salmon in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. The baking time may vary slightly depending on the thickness of the fillets. Once the salmon is perfectly baked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley to add a touch of color and freshness to the dish. Keto Lemon Garlic Salmon pairs wonderfully with a variety of side dishes, such as steamed vegetables, cauliflower rice, or a fresh green salad. This dish not only adheres to the principles of the keto diet, but also provides a wholesome and satisfying meal that can be enjoyed by anyone, whether or not they're following a specific dietary regimen. This recipe is a testament to the fact that healthy eating does not have to be bland or boring. It can be a culinary delight that pleases the palate and nourishes the body.